Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Memon Medical Institute Hospital is a flagship project of Memon Health and Education Foundation with a vision to be a role model in caring, curing, education and employment. The mission of the hospital is to provide quality health care, accessibility and affordability for all with empathy, dignity and respect, irrespective of caste, color, creed, religion or ability to pay. Memon Medical Institute Hospital is a tertiary care hospital and it's a not-for-profit organization. This is the hospital which was made by the Memon community, and it's a gift of Memon community to the masses of Pakistan. We are serving the population of Pakistan with pride. Alhamdulillah, it carries all departments from gastroenterology to pulmonology, or from neurosurgery to cardiac surgery, with all investigations with the latest equipment. During the COVID pandemic, the hospital played its pivotal role and it remained safe and open even during the COVID campaign. The hospital also conducted COVID vaccination center and vaccinated many people. The aim of the hospital is to be beneficial for the larger community around and in the country. We are striving our best to be an actual role model in healthcare industry where most economical and quality healthcare is provided to all, irrespective of their background. We have been successful in conducting various community programs ranging from cardiac diseases, polio, tuberculosis, and other than that, in this hospital we provide top-of-the-line surgeries including total knee replacement and cochlear implant as well. We conducted 350 total knee replacement surgeries free of cost to the needy people and around 18 cochlear implant surgeries last year. This program is being conducted in collaboration with our British doctors who come here as a team and they carry out these surgeries. The hospital is also screening the newborns for deafness. This is a unique quality of this hospital where all newborns are screened by the state-of-the-art audiometry machine to detect whether the child is deaf or not, to forestall deafness in this country. Memon Health and Education Foundation is planning to expand the hospital project from 180 beds to 530 beds to make it a teaching hospital. The teaching hospital will be a pivot for the further academic endeavors that includes Medical and Dental College and College of Pharmacy. The organization has already established College of Nursing with the name of Memon College of Nursing and a physiotherapy college with the name of Memon College of Physical and Rehabilitative Medicine. Other than that, around 50,000 patients in OPD and around 3,000 patients in inpatient department were treated free of cost through its welfare endeavors. Alhamdulillah, we conducted around 80 free medical camps in last 1.5 years. In those camps, any person reporting to that camp is treated to the maximum limit, including the surgical interventions. Another facet which I want to highlight over here is that the hospital is not staying on its pivot only. We are expanding our tentacles. We have got an outreach program whereby we have 8 outreach centers, and in these outreach centers we include OPDs, sample collection for the laboratory tests, and small pharmacies. Similarly, we are also conducting various camps in nearby schools and colleges and universities to spread the health education. We are cognizant for our responsibility and we are trying our best to make this endeavor as a success. Thank you very much.